In the fast-paced world of tech, few things generate as much buzz as a leaked device, especially when it's just days away from its official debut. The Galaxy S25 FE is no exception. With Samsung's next big release just around the corner, new images and details are already flooding the internet. But here's where it gets intriguing. These leaks aren't just showing us what the phone might look like. They're also hinting at some of the most exciting AI-powered features we could see at launch. So, what can we expect from this highly anticipated device? Let's dive in. If you've been following Samsung's Galaxy FE lineup, you know that one of the biggest debates revolves around cost-cutting. Fans often ask, what corners will Samsung cut to keep the price down? While the answer varies slightly with each model, the good news is that Samsung tends to strike a balance. Galaxy FE devices typically retain many of the flagship-level features that make their premium counterparts so desirable. And if early leaks are any indication, the Galaxy S25 FE might just continue that trend. But how close will it really come to the top-tier models? That's the million-dollar question. Speaking of leaks, real-world images of the Galaxy S25 FE have now surfaced online. https://firasalcasa/status196291696251117. These hands-on shots reveal a design that's strikingly similar to the Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus. One notable difference? A sleek silver trim surrounding the camera lenses. On the front, the bezels appear slightly larger compared to the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus, but the difference is subtle enough that it likely won't bother most users. Interestingly, what these images don't show may be just as telling. There's no glaring sign of compromises that would detract from the overall user experience. But let's talk performance. According to the leaker, the Galaxy S25 FE feels powerful in use. Now that's a vague term, but it suggests the device won't disappoint in terms of responsiveness or speed. Under the hood, rumors point to an Exynos 2400 SoC, https://9to5google.com, 2025-08-26, Samsung Galaxy S25 FE specs, leak full familiar, paired with a robust 4900 mAh battery. While it may not match the raw power of Samsung's flagship trio, the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra, it's expected to outperform its predecessor, the Galaxy S24 FE. For those seeking a balance between affordability and capability, that could be a game changer. Now here's something that might spark some debate. The Galaxy S25 FE is rumored to include many of the same Galaxy AI features found on devices powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. Features like Interpreter and Now Brief, which recently rolled out to the Galaxy S24, https://9to5google.com, 2025-08-29, Galaxy-24 gets Now Brief One UI 8 beta. Via the One UI 8 beta are said to make an appearance. This raises an interesting question. Will Samsung truly bring flagship-level AI capabilities to a more budget-friendly device? If so, it could redefine what consumers expect from mid-tier smartphones. Of course, none of this is set in stone yet. To get the full picture, we'll need to wait for Samsung's upcoming Unpacked event, scheduled for September 4th. Based on recent teasers, https://9to5google.com, /2025-08-27, Samsung, September 4th, 2025, event, tease Galaxy Tab S11, Galaxy S25 FE. The event will spotlight not only the Galaxy S25 FE, but also the Galaxy Tab S11. Until then, speculation will run wild. So what do you think? Is Samsung doing enough to make the Galaxy S25 FE stand out in a crowded market? Or are there still too many unknowns to call it a win for budget-conscious buyers? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your take.